Hello guys. Sorry, it's
Oh no, bro.
1 minute.
He said he wouldn't do it.
What do you mean he wouldn't do it?
Santa said he won't deliver the Maverick merch this Christmas.
It's 1:42 in the morning. 12:42 in the morning, and apparently there's a hacker rumor coming around. 1 minute, let me just turn down my music a bit. So there's a hacker rumor going around, and I said, hacker, come at me, I'm not scared. So I thought I might as well record. Because we can't chat on there, so I'd made this. So guys, I thought this would have been the perfect opportunity to prank people. Let me quickly just load up another page. Oh, yes, I put it in work. Hey, who's the Santa looking at? Take your gifts and give them back. Let me just move that down. I look so happy. Is I meant to was a single and do yeah, oh my god. Guys, I'm getting logged out. Sorry, it's so hard to act right now. I'm gonna copy and paste this bit because I can't be bothered to write out everything. Chill out. Hey, they got shit to do. Let them live. Hello, you wanted to know if I was here, and I'm just going to do a devil face.
In fact, I'm Daddy. Call me Daddy. Daddy Paul. Yeah. Merry Christmas.
Okay. But Tiffy thinks it's all fake. No. Bold, you've seen it. It's an original. A week. Just kidding, I'm not a web troll. Cute. Guys, I'm not trying to be racist or anything, but most people, hackers like to make them look ugly. Yeah, queen, yeah, you know what's up. And your pretty little princesses full of that glitter. DIY queen, show them what you got. 'Cause we don't need no good when we make this stuff. Blow a kiss. On Twitter. Who's guest book is right here? Go ahead and take a bow. Oops, I did something wrong with life. DIY queen, show them what you got, 'cause we know. Apparently people are chatting up phones. Let's see whether anyone can write anything. I'm sorry, I don't really like this song, but I like listening to it. Meow! What's that? Wait, did she run out of my...
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Are you? Hi. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be like, let me log in. Alright, so I typed in password. Oh my god, wait. By the way guys, I did post. Okay, let me just do my password. Oh my god, help me! Thinking what I'm thinking. It'll be more funny if it was actually getting packed. I'm joking. I don't want to get packed. I'm probably going to end the video in a minute. And then change statistics. Know what will help you. I just want to make it look realistic. I can't though. It's too funny. Let me type in no one will help you. No one will help you.
And so is he. I'm the one with jealousy. I'm great. I'm doing fine. Happier than I've been in my life. These are things you need to know so you can stop your little show. First love, first fling. What you have, don't change our thing.
Okay, let me just copy and paste everything.
Memories, I hope that you remember me. I'm sorry, but I had to leave. You, I'm alone in the cold. Just to call me on the cell phone when he wasn't home. Yep. And now that's in the past, I'm thinking back to what we had, all the laughs. Never thought that this ever crashed. So I checked out, packed up, and drove down this lonely road. I'm sorry, but I had to let you go. You, I got a new girl. Forgot about you, girl. Don't want to throw shade, but choose your ways for you, girl. Sitting, waiting, wishing for the one that I care for, the one I'd be there for, the one that could count for. 3, 2, she's the one. Never thought I'd be the type of guy to fall in love. But I trusted in her, and love hurts. I loved her, but I never loved you.
I'm gonna act like it wasn't a prank, like it was realistic. But, by the way guys, this will show you how I do my face. Oh yeah, I keep that nose. And then go to the next page. Okay, not them lips. Sorry. Oops, there you have blue. And then I get these in this colour. Yeah, cute. Yeah, that's the right note. Then I sometimes have that, but I prefer to have there. I get this in this, not that colour. I get it in blonde, and this in blonde. I'll show you why in a minute. I get this in black. Then I go on this page. Got this one. Next page. That's my skin tone. That's my face.
General Michael Don Lamont and Mademoiselle Rosanna Fancino.
I need there. I'm gonna want these. Let me find my temper. Oh yeah. I have no clue what song is playing, but I'll have to end this right now. But love you all. Peace out. Bye.